The wired hand wheel is too annoying. Its wire is too short to pull. Wireless remote helps you solve this problem. Open the electrical cabinet of the machine. Insert the DB plug of the receiver into the NPG interface. Tighten the screws of the DB interface. Then fix the receiving box in the electrical cabinet with screws. Now install the battery on the hand wheel. Shift the axis selection switch from off position. The power on light is on. Select 100x magnification and shake the hand wheel. X-axis movement. Select the Y-axis and shake the hand wheel. Y-axis movement. Press the plus button below. It can quickly move the Y-axis. Press the minus button. It can quickly move the Y-axis in the negative direction. Hand wheel, cable, receiver. To know our 5 batteries, ready to use once installed.